This is Mike. There's a thunderstorm out there, so I've kind of done the stupidest thing possible and climbed a tree. But the storm's a little ways away, so I think it's at this point I should let you guys know that I don't normally make a habit of climbing trees during a thunderstorm. However, this storm looked like it was about 20 miles away at the point that I was up in the tree, and I got down once it got closer, so there was no real danger. I cropped the dead spots out of the video where there is no lightning, and then I muted the rest, so enjoy.